If you are using collagen, you must know this. Not all collagen actually works well, and definitely not all collagen gets absorbed properly. Why Korean marine collagen? Now, Korean marine collagen is considered the purest, most bioavailable form worldwide today. It has smaller molecular weight, so your body absorbs it faster and far more efficient. Instead of drinking collagen that does nothing, Korean marine collagen, it actually absorbs maximum in your body. Most collagen powders stop only at collagen, nothing more. But your skin needs much more nutrient to actually repair, brighten and strengthen it. That's why this formula includes over 12 clinically known skin supportive ingredients. Let's understand the ingredients breakdown. Hydrolyzed marine collagen, 8000 milligram hydrolyzed marine collagen, rich in type 1 collagen. It reduces the fine lines, it helps to improve the elasticity of your skin, hair and nails. The nails and bones go stronger naturally. Hydrolyzed means broken into small peptides for a higher absorption. Another ingredient is glutathione, body's master antioxidant. It supports brightening of the skin, reduces the pigmentation and protects skin and slows down aging as well on a cellular level. Repairs perfectly with collagen for improved overall skin tone as well. The next ingredient is resveratrol, anti-aging formula found in the red grapes. This reduces inflammation, protects collagen from breakdown and support the longevity. Few other ingredients like goji berry extract, which is a superfood packed with vitamin A and C and carotenoids that boost the collagen production and protect barrier. Watermelon seed extracts provide essential minerals like magnesium, zinc and support the hydration, and also it helps the skin's natural repair. Grapeseed extracts, one of the strongest natural antioxidant. It protects the collagen fibers, prevent early wrinkles, reduces the UV related damage. Vitamin C, you cannot absorb collagen without a proper vitamin C support. It is extremely essential for building new collagen daily inside your body. This formula includes the exact dose required for the synthesis and activation. Another ingredient is zinc that helps repair the skin, reduces the inflammation, protects from acne control. Some of the digestive enzymes which we have added here, it is very important. If you cannot digest well, you cannot absorb the nutrients. Enzymes improve the absorption, increase the bioavailability and reduce bloating and maximize the collagen utilization effectively. Now let me explain you that why this formulation works. This is not one single beauty supplement today. This is a science-based matrix where every ingredient support each other. Collagen plus vitamin C builds the new collagen fibers faster. Glutathione plus grapeseed reduces the pigmentation and enhance your brightness. Digestive enzymes ensure for maximum absorption without any digestive issues. Antioxidants like goji berry, watermelon, they have resveratrol which protects the collagen from damage. Zinc supports the healing and enhances the natural skin glow. Together, they create a complete skin, hair and anti-aging system. Now let me explain you what to watch when you opt for collagen. Most collagen supplements fail simply because they are not hydrolyzed properly, they don't have vitamin C, some of them are filled with sugar, some of them have very low underdiagnosed form. Some of them have very low underdosed formulas. Then some of them don't absorb properly. Immunosciences collagen is zero sugar, clean, zero fat formula. Hydrolyzed, high absorption, rich antioxidant blend and clinically known ingredients designed to glow, firmness, aging support. This is not just a collagen powder. This is a complete skin formula working inside out. Immunosciences Korean marine collagen delivers the science, not the random guesswork.